You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce these very curious word. If you want to learn more slang terms in English and more correct pronunciation, stay tuned until the end of the video. I've got more videos. I'll link to a few for you that you're gonna love and learn from. It's used in North America in particular, but now in the UK as well. The ek. It's a short E sound, ik. The ek. How to pronounce the ek. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.